In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a portable air conditioner. By no means is this the only way or the right way to do it, but it's the way I did it. I've had this Danby portable AC unit for about 11 years. I use it every summer and it works great, but I noticed that the air was getting less and less cold the last few years. Looking inside the unit, I saw that there was a bit of dust buildup. But the only way to access the evaporator and condenser fins was to take the unit apart. Every AC unit will be different, so just take your time and start removing screws and take note of where they came from. They really should make these units easier to take apart to clean because eventually dust will build up in all of them. So this is what I found. There was a crazy, disgusting amount of dust on the condenser, so no wonder it wasn't working right. Also, I'm pretty sure there's other nasty stuff growing in there like mold. I thought I'd make a video of this after taking it apart because I thought this would inspire or maybe scare some of you into cleaning yours. So to clean it was super easy. Once the unit is apart, grab a respirator and remove the buildup of the dust by hand. And then vacuum the aluminum fins. I thought about taking the unit outside and using a hose to wash the unit, but I thought it would make a big wet mess instead. So instead I used a vacuum to clean out the remaining small bits of dust. Also, take your time and vacuum everywhere there is dust when you have the unit apart. I reassembled the plastic housing and then tested the unit, and immediately I noticed that the air was a lot colder than before, so definitely cleaning the condenser made a difference. So that's how I clean my portable air conditioner. Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks for watching. Bye.